We all worry. It's human nature to do so. But it won't change anything. The next time you're tempted to worry, turn it around. Hand it over to the Almighty. Close your eyes and feel that sense of relief when you say, "I may not understand what's happening, but I trust you." Don't think that the Almighty is unaware of every hurt and every unfair situation you've been through. He's all-knowing, all-seeing. He will liberate you from all that has happened. Don't keep it bottled up inside. Let it go and let Him take over. He is the best of planners. Cleanse your heart. Let go of grudges. What's the point of holding them? Forgive and move on. When you forgive, the Almighty will increase your honor. Remember, nothing escapes Him. So break free from the clutches of grudges. You'll feel the burden on your shoulders lighten. Don't feed your fear. Feed your faith. When you feed your fear, you're going the way Satan has mapped out for you. Focusing on fearful thoughts which keep you from moving forward. Instead, learn to trust the Almighty and His plans. Get close to Him and feel the peace. One of the best remedies for tough times is to be patient. The trouble with most of us is we start complaining. We talk about our difficulties to anyone and everyone. Spend time instead remembering the Almighty. Get close to Him. He's the owner of all solutions to your problems. Start running your own race. Stop comparing yourself to others. If the Almighty wants you to have what others have, He will give it to you, if not now then at some stage later on. Be happy with His decree. Show gratitude. If you're grateful, He will surely grant you more. Almighty, on this blessed day, protect us from the greed of our own soul. You know the struggle against worldly pleasures, hypocrisy and insincerity, hatred and envy, arrogance and pride etc. Help us to purify our hearts against such evil traits which Satan has beautified. A strong faith can keep us focused on the fact that the Almighty alone controls all destinies and has power over all things. Remembering that fact when we're being tested can help us overcome the pain and provide us with the hope and energy to keep moving forward and not give up. Betrayal hurts badly. It shatters the trust you had in others and leaves you feeling like you've done it all wrong. When a person close to you violates your trust, it calls everything into question and provides no easy answers. Put your trust in the Almighty to heal you. Learn to listen. People just want to be heard. To feel that their voice matters. Give them a listening ear. Show them that in the chaos of this world, someone is concerned and can empathize with them, free from judgment. Be that person for someone. Show your ability to care.